This is so weird, you guys. So weird. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please excuse my appearance. I just did a face mask. It's Sunday, Easter Sunday, and I'm taking the day off for myself. As you guys know, I moved to New York, and that is what I've been doing for the past month. It was so much work getting everything together, finding a place, finding a roommate, starting a new job. I don't think I ever want to do that again. It is extremely difficult, and I was very stressed out. I had no time for myself. It was really overwhelming. So now that everything's finally settled, I want to get back into my blog, back into my YouTube, and yeah, so the video that I'm going to kick it off with is my room tour. And our apartment is yet to be completely done. We haven't finished our furnished our living room area, but I'm going to show you guys what I've done with the little space that I have and how I've made it into what it is. So disclaimer in the beginning, I live in a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. Technically my room is the flex room, but in this building the wall is already established. I have a real door, and that was something that made me more attracted to the idea of a flex, because normally I would just want a standard 2-bedroom, 1-bath. That would be perfect. So let's take a look. So here's my entryway. You can see I have a full door. It goes all the way up and it goes all the way down. And when you walk into my room, here is the panned view. Mind you, I'm still putting things on the walls. I need to put something here. Hopefully something over here would be great. But the first thing that I want to go through is just the entertainment center. Definitely need to organize it, but the entertainment center is a 6-drawer dresser from IKEA. You guys have seen this before. I had one of these in my old apartment. Loved it so much because it's so much space for what it is, and it doubles as a great entertainment center. So I have that on this side, and we pan here, and I have my huge window with my air conditioner / heater unit, and this thing is loud, but it works. And the windows are great too. It's loud out there, so I'm not gonna open them, but I really love how much natural lighting that I get from it. It's really great, but at nighttime I can close them and I literally can't hear a thing. It's beautiful. So panning this way, I have my beautiful fig leaf tree that I got from IKEA. I'm waiting to get the plant pot from Amazon. I ordered a white plant pot. And this is my side table, which you can see the instructions are still there. They forgot to build it when they came, so I'm a little upset about that. But I'm gonna have a lovely friend help me with that. Here is my bed, and you know, I made a conscious effort to invest in my bed. So I have a Tough and Needle mattress. This is supposed to be similar to Casper, just half the price. So I paid about $600 for a queen. And my bed frame is from Amazon. It is the same bed frame I had at my old apartment, just a different color. Super easy to build, took an hour, highly recommend. Pillows and bedding are the Nate Berkus line at Target, and the sheets are from Target. I actually also have a Casper pillow here. And you guys, my neck no longer hates me because I was using these pillows here, which are just the Room Essentials from Target. No support, nothing. Like, this is amazing. I only got one because they're $50. Like, guests can just chill with that. I did buy a white rug here just to have a nice little contrast. I have a nice full-length mirror. Oh, what's up? Right by my entryway, exitway, door. Just because, you know, sometimes you want to look at your outfit before you step out, paint the town. On this side, I have some less exciting things. Wires, my lamp that is from Amazon, super easy to build. Was it a risky one? Yeah, but we'll figure it out. And then I have my laundry bag also. I wanted to take you guys into my alcove area. So this is where the living room was essentially cut off. You can see there's something over there. But this is what I've done with the alcove space. So my roommate has a closet, I don't. And you know, we had this perfect area where I was like, we can totally fit a wardrobe over here. So I have this one from IKEA, I believe, I forget what this one's called. but it has a nice mirror here so you can kind of see. I probably would not be using this because it's in the middle of our apartment. But when you open the doors, there's quite a bit of space for you to hang your clothes. This is it, probably like half full. I will definitely add more and or swap things out. On the bottom, I have my luggage. On the top, I don't know what I'll start putting here. Maybe some sweaters or something once the season is over, just because they are a little bulky and take up a lot of space. Over here, I have shoes, and I'll probably start adding more things, but to be honest, you guys, I didn't pack heavily here for the sole reason of I didn't want to have to lug it all around, and that was kind of the reason why I bought so much, is because I couldn't carry any more than what I had. So I hope you guys enjoyed my room tour. I cannot wait to make more videos for you guys and just get back on my grind, but hope you all have an amazing day, and please subscribe down below, and I will talk to you all very, very soon. Bye.